Find and prioritize unevaluated learner submissions using Quick Eval. This tutorial shows how to identify unevaluated learner submissions in Quick Eval. In Quick Eval, all ungraded submissions display. Sort submissions by first and last name, activity name, or submission date. You can also filter results. Click Filter. Here, you can filter by activity name by selecting or searching for an activity, or by the last 24 hours, last 48 hours, last 7 days, or older than 7 days. Note, you can use multiple filters to organize learner submissions. For this example, filter by activity name and select Classify the sunspots. Click elsewhere on the screen to close the filter. To evaluate submissions, click a learner's name. Evaluate the submission. You can publish the learner's score or save draft. For this example, save draft. To return to Quick Eval, click Back to Quick Eval. A draft icon will appear next to a learner's name when an evaluation is saved as draft. As you complete and publish evaluations, they will no longer appear in Quick Eval. When all evaluations have been completed, Quick Eval will display an "You're all caught up" message. Find and prioritize unevaluated learner submissions using Quick Eval.